In this video, I'll show you how to install the Project Revitalized mod in GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition to improve graphics, lighting, textures, and overall visuals on PC. Check my video description for this mod. Right click on the project and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open the engine enhancements. Close tab here and press in keyboard Windows key and R key together. And check my video description for this text. Copy and paste it in here. Click on OK. Drag up all these files inside the engine folder. Before that, back up the files, game user settings and scalability. Just copy and create a new folder. Name it as backup. Just paste the files in here. And once you take the backup, then drop all these files inside. Replace file the destination. And then just close tab here. Go back. Right click on the game and select open file location. Back to game phase, go back to definitive edition, just copy this game phase and paste it in backup folder. Once you done backup, now drag and drop this game phase in here. Go back, open this Q tensor and right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop all these files inside. Replace file with the destination, and now you can launch the game. I'll show you guys before and after graphics comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.